Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to get iOS 13 on your Apple device instantly using this new leak I actually found. And you don't need developers mode for this at all. I understand developers mode costs money, so don't worry about that. Yeah, it's just a new leak. It came out a couple hours ago actually. I just installed it, got it booted up right away. Super excited to show you guys. Now I recommend you guys do this right away while it's still working or still available. I don't know if Apple will take it down or whatever, but yeah. As you can see, I have iOS 13.0 on my iPhone XS, and yeah, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did that. So first thing you guys want to do is go to Safari, and you make sure you go to this website on your Safari device. Go to the website apphacks.co/iOS13. Now there's a website. I'm going to try and leave this comment down pinned in the comments below, but there's a website apphacks.co/iOS13. Now just click go, and it's basically going to install an iOS 13 beta profile on your phone, and from there you can install the iOS 13 OS. So just click allow to that, and then once that's done, just go to your settings, and there you go. The profile will be right there. Install. Now I just don't want you guys to see my code, so 2000. All right, there it is. Your device software will be updated to iOS 13 beta. Perfect. Install. Now done. Awesome. There you go. And as you can see, iOS 13 beta, this is basically just the installer app, like kind of like a launcher or something like that. So yeah, just click on that. Alright, now basically to install it, literally all you have to do is just click install iOS 13 beta, and yes, this is going to bypass the code signing, so you don't need a developer device. As you can see, it works on non-developer devices. Now the iOS 13 beta is available right now from Apple, and they make you have a, like, they need you, or they force you to get a developer account, which costs like $100. But with this method, you don't need a developer account at all. So it's pretty awesome, guys. You save money and you get it before everyone else, right? And I'm pretty sure there's extra features in this leaked version of iOS 13. So yeah, I recommend you guys install this right away while it's still working. Now the only thing is, you might have to install a couple apps just to verify that you're because a lot of people are trying to exploit the software, right? So they just keep on continuously trying to install it to try and find bugs they can exploit. But yeah, the only thing is they just make you verify that you're not a bot. Like, you just have to install and open 2 apps or whatever for like 30 seconds. It's super easy. So yeah, to complete the installation, I would do it and show you guys, but I already installed it on my device, and I don't think I can restore after that, right? So yeah, just all you have to do is just click install on iOS 13. You might have to do a quick verification. Sometimes you do, sometimes you haven't. Me and my friends have all done this. So yeah, it's super easy to do, guys. I recommend you use it right away while the leak is still working. And yeah, other than that, it's fully functional, and I think it's the only way to get iOS 13, to download iOS 13 without having a developer device. So there you goes, guys. Enjoy.